Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to upscale image quality with Higgsfield AI. So all you need to do is open any browser and then search for Higgsfield and then log into your account or create an account and then go to image and then go to image upscale. You will be redirected here to upload media. Press on upload media. I will choose the photo and then press on open. Now you can upscale this picture. You have the scale factor from 1 to 16. You can choose your scale factor, and then you have the models here, two models for generation, and then you have advanced settings. You can see standard, high fidelity, texture fine, all of these. You have sharpness and the noise, and then you have face enhancement. You can also toggle this and then press on upscale and it will start upscaling your picture, and then it will generate it successfully, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.